500 divided by 5. So here 5 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 5. 5 times 0 0, 5 times 1 5, 5 times 2 10. To find out the multiplication table of 5 easily, just add 5 with the previous step. 0 plus 5 5, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20, and this will continue, right? So 5 goes into 5 how many times? 5 goes into 5 1 times, write 1, multiply 1 times 5 5, subtract, you are getting 0. Bring down this 0. 5 goes into 0 how many times? 0 times, write 0. 0 times 5 0, subtract 0, bring down this 0. 5 goes into this 0 how many times? 0 times, write 0. 0 times 5 0. If you subtract, you are getting 0. That is, your remainder is 0. So you can say that 100 is your answer. In short, you can think like this: 5 goes into 5 how many times? 1 times. 1 times 5 5. If you subtract, you are getting 0. 5 goes into this 0 how many times? 0 times. And 5 goes into this 0 how many times? 0 times. So 100 is your answer.